Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a meal plan with HelloFresh, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the HelloFresh website or downloading the HelloFresh app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the meal plan section. Choose your dietary preferences from the provided options. Select the number of meals you want each week. Browse the available recipes for your selected meal plan. Click on a recipe to view its details, including ingredients and cooking instructions. Review the estimated cooking time and difficulty level for each recipe. Add the desired recipes to your meal plan. Make sure to consider your schedule for the week when choosing meals. If you have specific dietary restrictions, use the filters to find suitable options. Once your meal plan is set, move to the checkout process. Verify your delivery address and choose your delivery day. Enter your payment information securely to finalize your order. After placing your order, you will receive a confirmation email. Your HelloFresh boxes will be delivered directly to your door on the chosen day. Unpack your box to find all the ingredients for your selected recipes. Organize the ingredients by recipe for easier meal preparation. Follow the cooking instructions provided with each meal kit. Enjoy cooking and savoring your freshly prepared meals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.